As I promised, guys, this video is going to be about the mod that we did to my dad's car. First and foremost, let's do the color. The color is from Rolls-Royce. It's not pink, it's not maroon, it's not red. The color exact name is called Morganite. It is a color from Rolls-Royce, and it would cost you, I believe, $50,000 to get this color paint. How did I get this color? I went and consulted with Rolls-Royce on my birthday, and the guy name is also Mike. He gave me a bunch of color code, and you guys could actually find the color code yourself online. It's not that hard. Paint it with Rolls-Royce. And I was sponsored by Nippon Paint. So the lacquer on my car is not out on the market yet. It's one of those newest self-healing property lacquered. So it's super shiny. So that's the color, Morganite. The wheel is a custom MVP wheels by my own company. It is 18 by 9 in the front, 18 by 10 in the rear. I believe the front is ET18 and on the rear is ET20. But you can fit something much bigger with more lips if you do 3Ps. And if you want that spec, line and DM me. We can custom build the wheel to your taste, to your preference, and to your personality. We can even engrave high haters on the wheel like I do on most of my wheel. So that's the wheel, 2-piece MVP, forged. Brush, aluminum face, polished lips. The tires that I'm running it on is 235/40, 18 in the front, and 265/35, 18 in the rear. Now on the interior, oh fuck, this is my favorite part. The interior is a combination of Alcantara, Manzori carbon, and a special upholstery that we put in certain part of the seat as a tribute to W126. Mine originally came with this pattern of seat. So where you see the maroon part, the same color as this, it's a special fabric, but the color combination came out super right, looks super modern. I also custom fitted a sound system by Alpine. The set is called an M series. So it comes with a DSP. It has 6 channel. So 2 for the front, 2 for the rear, and then the sub. And the sub, I have an Alpine active sub in there with 10-inch. A little bit hard to tune, but the special thing about this Alpine M series system is that the DSP is capable of tuning each speaker with 32 different bands of frequency, and you can time alignment. So I time alignment, the sound is right deadlock in the center. The image is clear, every instrument from where they're supposed to be placed, and the vocal is right on your ear and your eye level. The bass is not overpowering. You can turn the audio system on low, but you still hear everything. And I think that's where the good sound quality come in. I calculated the volume of the cabinet, and I feed the information to my AI that I train, and I manually tune the DSP. I think it took me about 2 days to tune this correctly. And I also have the file for this car. So if you have the same system, I can pass you the file. If you want to set up by us and you have a specific kind of need, I can tune it for you too. We can save like 6 different presets. Sounds freaking amazing. I also dampen the car. Not just one of those skinny ass foam that takes out the resonance, but real studio dampening type of thing. And that's pretty much it. The rest is more aesthetic. Painted the grille matte black. Brand new, I tinted the window more of a reflective color, so it looked like chrome matched with the car. And I put a bunch of LEDs in the front light just to make sure that we get the brightest road when we're driving through at night to show the car. Also, yellow LEDs are being installed in the fog light, the one next to the grille. And that's that for my dad's car. And if you guys want any consultation, or if you guys want a new set of wheels, or if you guys want to outsource the upholstery from us and have an expert to fabricate and install upholstery into your car, no matter where you're at, I'll leave my line address, WhatsApp, and WeChat down below, and you can get in touch with me. Hopefully this video is helpful for you guys. We're expanding, guys. We're doing our wheels globally. The website is coming out soon. I'll see you guys on the next one. A lot of build like this coming up, so don't forget, like and subscribe. Peace.